So hello and welcome to Science Everywhere. You may have heard about various cases about MSG and lead in food products. But what is MSG and lead? Well, MSG is nothing but monosodium glutamate. It is a sodium salt of glutamic acid and has the chemical formula C5H8NO4Na. It is naturally found in things like potatoes, tomatoes and even the two main reasons for addition of MSG are: 1. It is a flavor enhancer, and 2. It produces a tasty umami taste. Thus, more the MSG, more the effect of other tastes on your tongue. Monosodium glutamate was discovered by a Japanese chemist known as Kikune Ikeda. If you are still not clear on what MSG actually is, it is also commonly called Ajinomoto because the very first company that made MSG commercially available was named Ajinomoto, and Ajinomoto essentially means the essence of taste, just like MSG. Enough of MSG for a day. How is lead harmful, and why do medical associations keep on checking products that can have higher amounts of lead or lead amounts that are above the prescribed levels? Lead comes from various sources that are around us. However, lead exposure from any source can cause many problems, especially to children. At smaller levels, lead exposure can cause simple problems like headaches, but due to chronic exposure to lead, it can also lead to impaired cognitive function and it can damage the central nervous system, which controls various bodily functions. Thus, in turn, your bodily functions are also affected. Lead amounts as small as 50 parts per billion, that is, just 50 lead atoms in a billion others, can even prove to be hazardous to your health. In earlier times, lead was used in products like paint or leaded paint, and tetraethyl lead was used in petrol for cars. This proved to be a serious environmental hazard and also a health hazard not only for human beings. Leaded petrol or tetraethyl lead petrol also damaged the life of your car. However, now such products or such leaded products are banned or prohibited in many countries. Now you know why there is a sign which says unleaded on petrol stations. Lead comes from many natural sources like the air, the soil, and even the water that you drink. However, these natural sources have very low amounts of lead and they cannot cause any serious damage unless you live in a polluted area. Now, a fun fact: in ancient times, people actually used pipes that were made out of lead to carry water from the river to various houses. This was called plumbing, and thus lead got its name plumbum, and thus its chemical symbol Pb. The usage of lead for such purposes also caused health problems. So, if you think that you learned something from this video, then hit that like button, comment, and also share this video so that more and more people can learn about lead and MSG. Thanks for watching Science Everywhere. Until then, keep exploring.